Lunatic blogger drinks water and posts on LinkedIn first before checking on pregnant wife. Alright, so this guy, he's an Aussie blogger apparently. And here's his morning routine before work. 6 a.m., wake up. Okay. 6:15 a.m., drink water. Okay, reasonable. 6:30 a.m., post on LinkedIn. Okay. 6:35, make sure my pregnant wife is okay. Oh. I guess maybe she's not awake by then. But dude, if this girl is awake by then and you... I'm sorry, I have to get a drink of water. This is... Also, this this kind of post belongs on a blog. LinkedIn, I guess some people are treating LinkedIn as a blog. Well, I guess if he's a blogger and blogging his career, I guess he can treat LinkedIn as a blog. I guess. I don't know. Let's Google this. Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, what is LinkedIn for?
Here's what I found from commonsensemedia.org. LinkedIn is a social networking website that allows users to organize employment and educational information on a resume-like page, then share with potential contacts in the job world.
Okay, so that's from commonsensemedia.org. Let's go to linkedin.com. LinkedIn mission statement. LinkedIn's mission statement is, their vision is to create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. So I guess these people are consistent with the vision. They're using LinkedIn to become influencers and increase their vision. And their mission is connect the world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. Okay. I'm not saying that's not for bloggers, but... And I guess he's also a sales professional. But this kind of post is just like a blog. But maybe there was like a trend going on where people were like talking about the best morning routine isn't perfect. It's whatever works for you. Share your morning routine. I think that's a good thing to do. But man, like, get your priorities straight. Unless your wife is not awake by then. Come on. Check on your wife first. That's the first thing you do. And checking on her doesn't even mean waking her up, you know. Maybe wake up and just look and see how she's doing. Maybe that's the first thing that you do when you wake up, bud. You can even do it while you're drinking your water. But, okay, this is not like the biggest LinkedIn lunatic, but this is still annoying.
I'm not complaining, my thoughts get complicated, I cannot explain in lameness. Never losing focus because I ain't chasing payments. Still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.